Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's video for upcoming Mahzooz draw prediction 6 August 22. The previous prediction for Mahzooz 5 number matched. The result is 11, 12, 13, 21 and 23. Here 11 matched, 12, 13, 21 and 23. 5 number matched. The last draw, all number passed. Today's prediction for, I write here numbers. I showed this number. 1 to 10, 1, 3, 9 and 10. 11 to 20, 14, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 21 to 30, 21, 23, 25, 26, 27 and 29. 31 to 40, 31, 32, 33, 37, 38 and 39. 41 to 49, 43, 44, 47 and 48. Hi viewers, this is the prediction number. Then 3 or 4 number will come 21 to 49 based on previous result. Here I write 3 or 4 number come from 21 to 49, and another one 2 odd number, 3 even number. 2 odd number, 3 even number. Ten to 20, no number. And select on number previous result, maybe 12 or 21, like this important. Hi friends, every month's first draw of Mahzooz draw, unpredictable result. If you have luck, you will win. Hi viewers, this is only guess based on Mahzooz previous result. If you want to choose this number, choose it. Otherwise, leave it. It's your choice. Thank you. Good luck all of you. Please subscribe my channel.